Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are planning a trip abroad, you definitely want to make sure you remember your plug adapters. So I recently traveled to Europe and I was looking for a Type-C plug adapter. So I picked up this 6-pack from Romeda and they really did the trick. This was an awesome solution, super compact, and you get 6 of them, so you have plenty if you need it. And very easy to use. All that I had to do was plug this adapter into the wall outlets of the Type-C plugs, and then I was able to use my US devices. So what I did most of the time was use a multi-port charging brick, put it right here into the Type-C adapter, and then I was able to charge multiple devices at once. This has a voltage current of 6 amp, 125 to 200 volts, and a maximum power of 600 watts. So this was just the perfect thing that I needed for all of my traveling, and it worked out great. So don't forget to get your travel adapters when you're traveling. Definitely would recommend these from Romeda, and that's my point of view.